Hi, party people. Time to do our morning animal routine. We got our bird food, which is scrambled eggs. Here, let me flip the camera so it's a little easier. Scrambled eggs, raspberries, blueberries, and then we got some Higgins Sunburst macaw mix with some Rowdy Bush pellets. And we got our chicken shorts on. If you haven't seen them, check them out. They'll be done in hopefully a week, and then we'll just be waiting on the shipment, and you could still order because I ordered a total of 600 of them, so there will be plenty to go around. Morning, birdies. Are you guys coming over for your breakfast? Come and get it. Slowly scooting and booting. All right, we'll leave them alone since they're being all territorial with their eggs that they're on. And then I did just refresh their water, so they're good on that. Hi, Rocker boy. Don't worry, we're not gonna get you. All right, bye-bye, birdies. Have a good day. Okay, now over to the koi pond. Oh, and if you're interested in the chicken shorts, they are linked right in our bio or hppclothing.com. There's also some cute little hats, so just check them out if you haven't. Okay, we're still in the process of filling up the koi pond. Little bird feeders over there. The chickens always come over here as soon as I let them out to pick up the bird seed scraps, which is fun. Okay, so we're not going to feed the big koi, but we will feed the quarantine koi. Not going to feed the big koi pond because we're filling it up right now and they'll just be stressed. So they won't eat, so we would just be like polluting the water. Ooh, seems like they've grown a little bit, in my personal opinion. Okay, here's the koi pond here. You can see it's still quite dirty, but once we get the biofalls box on, it'll clean up, or clear up and clean up, because I cleaned and hosed down the filter media, so all the gunk will go in there. Okay, we're gonna let the big chickens out and get them ready for their day of free ranging. All right, chickies, come here. All right, we got Thelma, Renee, Rhonda, Machu, Lucy, Leo, the chicks. Oh my gosh, look at that. How cute. Let's see if the other ones will come. I usually open this over here for them because they don't know how to get out. It's okay, little chickies. Oh, I think some of them are already out. They could somehow squeeze through this stuff over here. Okay. They'll figure their way now. All right, go on. Les. Okay. There goes the last little dude. He can't figure it out. Let's see if we can scare him down. Oh my gosh, he went inside the coop. I'll just open the main door and then he could come out this way. Woo. Come here, little chickie. Where did it go? Back. Oh, there he is. Come on. Okay. See how skittish. Go on, if you want to see your mom. Okay, yay. There he goes. Now they're a big, happy family. Okay. And now we're going to go over to the chickens, the grow-out chickens. But I'm not going to let them out just yet because someone is supposed to come and pick up all the roosters today. So I'm going to let them out. I'm going to set up like a dog pen around here. So when they run out, they will go into the pen and I could sort through the roosters because I might keep two. It's like a whole thing. I need to decide. So we're going to just give them a looking at right now. Hi, chicky dudes. You guys will have some freedom in just a little bit. Okay. That's all we got for now, party people. Adios. Have a lovely day.